Three, two, one, start. The facts giving rise to the present writ petition are that pursuant to an advertisement issued by the respondent in the year 1989 for the purpose of appointment to the post of constable, the petitioner being fully eligible for consideration and appointment, submitted all the requisite documents. Stop. On the basis of the aforesaid documents, the petitioner was considered for appointment by treating his date of birth as 50th November 1969. Stop. At the relevant time, the petitioner had submitted his high school certificate issued by the Board of High School and Intermediate in the year 1983. Stop. Pursuant to the aforesaid selection, the petitioner was appointed and continued to discharge his duties satisfactorily. Stop. During the entire tenure of his service, the conduct and performance of the petitioner were appreciated by the competent authority from time to time, and no adverse material was ever brought on record against him. Stop para. It appears that on the basis of certain complaints regarding various persons who had obtained appointments by claiming themselves to be dependents of employees working in the department under the dying in harness rules, an inquiry was initiated by the respondents. Stop. During the course of the said inquiry, which was conducted without issuing any notice to the petitioner or affording him any opportunity of hearing, it was allegedly found that the date of birth recorded in the high school certificate submitted by the petitioner was 50th 11, 15 1965. Stop. However, according to the petitioner, the certificate actually submitted by him at the time of his appointment clearly records his date of birth as 50th 15/11/1969. Stop. Thus, the finding recorded by the respondents is contrary to the certificate originally submitted by the petitioner and is based upon an erroneous assumption. Stop para. The contention of the petitioner is that even if the respondents, on the basis of certain complaints and the inquiry conducted thereunder, were of the opinion that the certificate submitted by the petitioner contained any discrepancy or that an incorrect date of birth had been mentioned therein, the petitioner was legally entitled to be served with a show cause notice and to be afforded a reasonable opportunity of hearing before any adverse action could be taken against him. Stop. The appointment of the petitioner could not have been cancelled without following the principles of natural justice, particularly after he had rendered about 17 years of continuous service in the police department. Stop. It is further submitted that had an opportunity been granted to the petitioner, he would have produced the original high school certificate issued by the competent board, which had already been submitted at the time of his appointment. Stop. Therefore, the impugned order dated 22/2/2008 could not have been passed without complying with the mandatory requirements of law. Stop para. Learned counsel for the petitioner has further submitted that the impugned order has been passed solely on the basis of an ex parte inquiry conducted behind the back of the petitioner. Stop. No notice was ever served upon him, nor was he informed about the allegations leveled against him. Stop. He was also not afforded any opportunity to explain the alleged discrepancy regarding his date of birth or to produce the relevant documents in support of his claim. Stop. Such a course adopted by the respondents is wholly arbitrary, illegal, and violative of the settled principles of natural justice. Stop para. In support of the aforesaid submissions, learned counsel for the petitioner has placed reliance upon the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in Shravan Kumar Jha and others versus State of Bihar and others, reported in 1991 SCC 330. Stop. Placing reliance upon the said judgment, it is contended that where the respondents on the basis of an inquiry come to the conclusion that a certificate submitted by an employee is incorrect or forged, no adverse order can be passed without first affording the concerned employee a reasonable opportunity of hearing. Stop. It is further submitted that a division bench of this court has also consistently held that termination of service without issuing a so cause notice or providing an opportunity to defend is in clear violation of the principles of natural justice, and therefore such an order cannot be sustained in the eyes of law. Stop para. Admittedly, no notice or opportunity of hearing was ever afforded to the petitioner before passing the impugned order. Stop. The mandatory procedure prescribed under the rules has not been followed by the respondents. Stop. ये डिक्टेशन आपका 100 WPM पर था. आप इसका ट्रांसक्रिप्शन करें कंप्यूटर पे और मिस्टेक्स को चेक करें. PDF टेलीग्राम चैनल पर मिल जाएगी आपको. थैंक यू वेरी मच.